Texas is a place I really love to be. All my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my
Hey, you
hat
Papa, get back here.
Tennessee.
Hey, you.
Hey, lay off the rocks, girl.
Hey, Carl. Keeping busy, I hope.
You know me, Officer Tenpenny.
Yeah, I know you, Carl. I know everything.
Where to, Smoke?
Unity Station.
You're on Radio Los Santos, the home of the newest jams and best records, the place where music is born. Here's a record so hot, it's gonna melt my turntable.
Don't get hooked, player. What we looking for, Smoke?
Some bogus cats. Follow that train! Get me close, CJ! I'm about to pop these fools! Roll up on them, CJ, so I can get a shot!
Was it always like this?
Was what always like this?
Always fucked up around here? Or is it because of the drugs?
What you think, man?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Yo, hey, don't ask for wise man, Frank. Ask for fool.
That's what I was doing.
Well, if you're gonna make this thing personal, I ain't speaking on it no more. Hey, you better clear out, CJ. I don't want those crash fools trying to pull you into some shit.
All right, homie. You be careful with those cats. I'ma see you later.